Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Carlita. So, ako na naman ito. So, for today's reaction video, I'm gonna react to this artist na sobrang badass. Patron saint ng mga bahala na kayo. So, etong girl na to, sobrang sexy, sobrang ganda niya, and I'm a fan. Really, I'm a fan. And napapakinggan ko yung mga kanta niya pero never ko pa nakita yung music video. So, nasa Spotify ko yan. Pero today, I'm gonna react to her music video of one of her song called Sugar and Spice. So, alam niyo na kung sino yung tinutukoy ko. It's Denise Julia. So, ayan, I'm so excited kasi I'm a fan. First time ko siyang a little, kwento lang. The first time ko siyang nakita sa Solfest event or festival, Solfest, sa Lasal. So, that time, naririnig-rinig ko na yung mga kanta niya, pero iba kasi yung feeling pag nakikita siyang kumakanta in person and live. Iba yung sexiness, iba yung dating ng sexiness niya, iba yung dating ng charisma. And yeah, ang sarap lang sa tenga ng kanta niya eh. Siyempre, Sugar and Spice, parang doon pa lang, di mo mapapaisip ka na. So, without further ado, let's react to this music video called Sugar and Spice by Denise Julia. First, sorry. Hindi ko nga alam nung una na siya pala yung kumanta ng NWMD, Nevermind. So, anyway, yun. Nagulat din ako na parang kaboses to ni Ariana Grande.
No, I'm trying to punish you so you can keep it all you go. There's something nice if you don't mind. Company love nothing more. It's something I don't usually do. Sugar and spice, everything nice, so not the lies. You've been acting like you're my baby, 'cause you know it's hard to replace me. You've been acting like I've been on your mind, like you might tonight.
Yung beauty niya, hindi siya yung ano bang tawag dito? The usual, yung nakikita natin. Sobrang kakaiba yung beauty niya. Pero ang ganda niya, yung color ng skin niya, her eyes, her lips, her nose, her body. Basta't maganda siya para sa akin.
So tell me, is it real love you've been feeling too? Tell me, is it not you've been even too? Are we on tonight? Are we on tonight? Are you mine tonight? Ooh. See, I just wanna play the bass with your favorites, and I just wanna cover you with kisses from my lips, and maybe get a bunch of chocolate covered strawberries. So never, maybe we should really settle it. I'll bet you fire.
Hey guys, ano ba yung prefer nyo? Meron ba dito yung mga femme to femme, yung mga ganon, femme mask ba yung mga ganon? And yung video, I think it's femme to femme WLW, I guess. So, no judgment, go on, live your life, and don't think anyone na mga kahadlang kung ano man yung gusto nyo. At hanggat wala kayong tinatapakang tao or wala kayong ginagawang masama, go, it's hot.
Falling through, I'm never fire. Baby, I love you, so I'm not true. So baby, tell me if I'm feeling it too. You've been acting like you're my baby, 'cause you know it's hard to replace me. You've been acting like I've been on your mind, like you
Dennis Julio, parang kamukha siya nung yung bida dun sa To All the Boys I've Loved Before. No, may similarities yung facial features nila or yung shape ng mukha. Wala lang, bigla ka lang naisip, random lang, naisip na parang nakikita ko siya doon sa, ano bang pangalan niya doon? Basta yung bida doon sa To All the Boys I've Loved Before. For that one. So, yun guys, it's Dennis Julia Sweet Sugar and Spice, and I hope you like it too. Kasi ako, favorite ko tong song na to, nasa Spotify ko siya, nakasave. And pag feeling ko, gusto kong maging sexy, yung alam mo yung feel sexy ka lang, pinapatugtog ko to. And yun, nakaka-good vibe siya para sa akin. Para sa akin lang naman. So, I hope i-check out nyo rin itong music video na to, and yeah, para ma-feel nyo rin yung feel good ng kanta, and maganda lang siya sa tenga. So, yun guys, if you like this video, please like, share, and comment na rin kayo and subscribe to my channel. If you want something na bibigyan natin ng reaction video, just comment down below. And yun, I'll try that. And yeah, to our next video. Bye-bye.